I'm here with Jean-Michael. Jean-Michael, it's a really impressive stand here at SICK. Tell us about the brand and what you do.
Okay, yeah, so SICK is a sensing solution company which we provide a range of solutions and sensors for logistic automation, which is one of the reasons why we're showcasing here. But in addition to that, we also do factory automation and process automation.
Yep.
So on our stand this year, what we're trying to do is we're trying to promote the utilisation of digital warehousing and using different sensors and how we can actually tie that into create a closed loop system. So it's been great so far.
Wonderful. Now, I know that digital warehousing and a whole range of tech right across end-to-end supply chain is growing astronomically. So you must be in high demand at the moment. You had a good response to the show?
We've had a fantastic response to the show. And what we wanted to do this year is really take it through a bit of an education process. Yeah, a lot of people, a lot of customers, a lot of end users have been asking about what is digital warehousing, what is digital twin, what is IoT. Hence, what we wanted to do this year is really sort of create a model that they could actually really relate to
and absorb.
So, as you will see from our stand, we've created the metaverse, which is essentially a digital twin of a warehouse, smaller version of a warehouse, but nonetheless trying to recreate this process of teaching in new SKU products into their system, which is the very important first step of automating their warehouse. And then throughout the process, essentially creating a customer platform where they're ordering their goods and then going through the system and having the ability to track the item throughout the supply chain process. So really to show the power of technology today is not just about reading or about detecting, but it's also about the data that we're getting from a lot of the sensing solutions that we've got on the stand, yeah?
Yeah, really well explained, Jean-Michael. I think so many people talk about data, but it's what you do with the data that's most important.
Absolutely. And it can be quite a daunting task because a lot of customers are trying to take on a really big piece of the pie. So sometimes it's all about really having a starting point. And I always say to customers that are looking to automate, the first starting point is to understand your master data, right? Once you understand your master data, then you're in a position where you can really go out to the market and look at what automation solution will fit your requirements, yeah?
Yeah, great advice. So thanks so much, Jean-Michael, for sharing your expertise. And you've enjoyed CeMAT, you mentioned before, it's been a great turnout for you?
Absolutely. I mean, this is, I think, the fourth year that we've been at CeMAT. It is definitely the logistics show to be exhibiting. We have a lot of our key partners, system integrators that we work with, or OEM that we work with in this show. And we've already locked ourselves in for Melbourne next year, so come and see us.
Absolutely. Thanks, Jean-Michael. Thanks for being on Import Export TV.
Thank you.
Cheers. Ta.